Welcome, here I've got OPPO A52 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner. And it gives us access to 3 other buttons. For now, let's focus on this one from the right, and when we pick this we can open the advanced camera settings. As you can see, in the general settings here we have the location, so by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that. This is how it works. And also the important information here is that to make it work correctly, when we really want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location service of this device. So remember about these 2 parameters to make it work. And for now let me keep this turned on, and let's go back to the camera and take a picture. And now let's go here to the left corner at the bottom. When we tap on this we get quick access to the gallery. And here we have the location, so greetings from Krakow. This is the basic information about the city we are in. And we can also check the more advanced details by tapping on this button here in the right corner at the bottom. So this is the more button, and here we can pick the details. And as you can see, here we have the more advanced details about the location with the address. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.